Flower is a sexual reproduction organ in plant. Female reproduction organ is called carpel. It consists of stigma, style, ovule, and ovary. Male reproduction organ is called stamen and it consists of anther and filament. Formations of the pollen grain occur in the anther. Pollen grain is a microscopic body that contains the male gametes of the plant. The pollen grain has an outer wall called the axin, which helps the pollen grain to stick on the surface of the stigma during pollination. Anther contains pollen sac which have a lot of pollen mother cell 2N. Pollen mother cell 2N will undergo meiosis process to produce tetrads of 4 haploid microspore N. Every microspore, the haploid nucleus will undergo mitosis to form 2 nuclei, the generative nucleus and tube nucleus. Ovules are present inside the ovary. The ovule will differentiate into an embryo mother cell 2N. The embryo site mother cell 2N will undergo meiosis process to form 4 haploid megaspore. However, 3 cells will degenerate and only 1 will survive. The survival megaspore N will divide by mitosis for 3 times to form 8 nuclei. Three of 8 nuclei migrate to one end of the cell, forming antipodal cells. Another 2 move to the center to form polar nuclei. The last 3 nuclei at the other end nearest the ovule opening form an egg cell clamped by 2 synergic cells. Pollination is a process when pollen grain landed on the stigma. Pollination can occur due to pollination agent like animals or wind. Pollen grain will germinate to form pollen tube due to sugary solution secreted by stigma. Pollen tube will grow along the style and penetrate into micropyle. Generative nucleus will divide by mitosis to form 2 male gametes. The first male gamete, N, will fertilize with the egg cell and to form zygote 2N. And the second megamete, N, will fertilize with the polar nuclei N plus N to form triploid nucleus 3N. The whole process is called double fertilization. After fertilization, ovule will develop to become the seed. Ovary will develop to become the fruit flesh. After fertilization, the ovule which containing triploid nuclei and the zygote will develop into a seed. Zygote will develop to become an embryo which will differentiate to form plumule, radicals and cotyledon. Plumule will grow to form a shoot, radical will grow to form roots, and the cotyledon will supply nutrients to the seed. Triploid nuclei will divide to form endosperm tissue that provide nutrients. If the flower have only one ovule, one seed will produce. And if the flower have more than one ovule, more seed will produce.